Namaskar viewers. Welcome back to Ajastro Money Guru, your go-to source for the latest commodity market analysis. Today we're diving deep into the pepper market, which is seeing some significant price movements. Let's start with the big news. Pepper prices in India have surged, hitting a one-year high. On Monday, prices jumped by 100 rupees per quintal, driven by a combination of tight supply and strong global demand. Now what's causing this supply crunch? Arrivals in the Kochi market have dropped dramatically. We saw only 20.5 tons, compared to 39.5 tons in the previous session and significantly lower than last season. Farmers are holding onto their stocks even as prices rise. This strategic holding is further amplified by the attractive returns they're getting from coffee, which is currently at an all-time high. This isn't just an Indian phenomenon. In Vietnam, pepper prices have also climbed, increasing by 1,000 Vietnamese dongs to 1,500 per kilogram. Current prices there range between 159,000 Vietnamese dongs and 162,500 per kilogram. FOB prices have remained relatively stable across key origins, with noticeable increases from major suppliers. Now, let's look at the trade data. India's December import figures show a stable 3,100 tons, with Sri Lanka accounting for more than half of that. On the export side, we saw a significant jump of 11.5%, reaching 1,607 tons, fueled by strong demand from the Middle East and North Africa. In the domestic market, here's a snapshot of the current prices. Ungarbled pepper in Kochi is trading at 68,600 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is priced at 70,600 rupees. The 500 GL variety is at 67,600 rupees. In Karnataka, prices are ranging from 68,400 rupees to 70,700 rupees in Kushalnagar and from 68,400 rupees to 70,800 rupees in Chikamagalore. And for those interested in FOB quotes, black pepper is priced at $6,900 per metric ton for Brazil, ESTA, $7,000 for Vietnam 500 GL, $7,200 for Vietnam 550 GL, and $7,321 for Indonesia ASTE. Malaysia's FOB price is reported at 9,800 Malaysian ringgit per metric ton. Thank you for watching Ajastro Money Guru. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth commodity market analysis. Stay tuned for our next update.